Chinese President Xi Jinping conveyed to former Taiwan President Ma Ying-jeou on Wednesday that external interference would not impede the family reunion between the two sides of the Taiwan Strait. He emphasized that all issues are open for discussion. Since the Republic of China government retreated to Taiwan in 1949 following a civil war loss to Mao Zedong's communists, no sitting Taiwanese leader has visited China. However, Ma, who served as president from 2008 to 2016, broke this pattern last year, marking the first visit by a former Taiwanese leader to China. This visit, Ma's second, occurs amid heightened military tensions in the region. Meeting in Beijing's Great Hall of the People, where top Chinese officials usually conduct talks with foreign leaders, Xi iterated that both sides of the strait are Chinese. He emphasized that external interference cannot halt the historical trend of reunification. Xi's remarks on external interference, often aimed at Western countries like the US for their support of Taiwan, didn't go into specifics. Xi emphasized that no issue is unsurmountable and no external force can divide them. However, China has maintained its stance of not ruling out the use of force to bring Taiwan under its control and has increased pressure to assert sovereignty claims. In response, Ma expressed that tensions have caused anxiety among many Taiwanese. Taiwan's Mainland Affairs Council expressed deep regret that Ma did not publicly affirm Taiwan's insistence on defending its sovereignty and democratic system. It urged Beijing to cease intimidation and resolve differences through respectful dialogue. Xi has made few public comments on Taiwan recently. During a conversation with US President Joe Biden in early April, Xi urged the US to translate its commitment to not supporting Taiwan independence into tangible actions. Additionally, Xi has refrained from commenting on Taiwan's recent presidential election, won by current Vice President Lai Ching-te, whom Beijing views as a separatist threat.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.